Again, doctor, this.
Phase duration means if you have a book, can you give me that rough paper? Can you give me? Yes. Okay. So imagine we have selected a rectangular current. Okay. This is one phase. Okay. How much is this time? Okay. That is
One.
phase duration. 1 millisecond. Okay. 1 millisecond. Okay. From one phase to another phase. Okay. This is phase interval. Okay. This phase interval is 20 milliseconds. Okay. So that means 1 millisecond current will come, 20 milliseconds stops, again 1 millisecond current will come. Okay. So that is phase duration and phase interval. You can decide. See, for example, I want phase interval. I want more phases. Okay. I can decide. More current I can decide. Okay. I want less and I can decide less. This is millisecond. You can go to microsecond also.
Yes.
Okay. That mu is, this is microsecond. Okay. This is millisecond.
Yes.
Okay. So you can decide how much ever you want. Then surge. Okay. Surge means when the current comes in same intensity. Okay. What happens is human body will go for adaptation. Okay. After some time, patient don't feel the current. Okay. So to prevent the adaptation, what happens is it will start slowly, then increases, then decreases, then increases. This is called surge mode. Okay. This is called surge mode. When the current will come with low intensity, then go to high intensity, then come to low intensity, then go to high intensity. Okay. That is surge mode. Next, output mode. Output mode means C means constant current. Okay. CV means constant voltage. Okay. Whether you want the output in the form of amperes, then it will be constant current. If you want your output to be in volts, then it is constant voltage. Okay. Anyone is fine. No problem. Okay. It's like you want the distance in meters or centimeters. Okay. Meters means more, big. Centimeters means small. Constant current is small. Constant voltage is big. Okay. So there is no difference much. So now this is, you have set the requirements: current requirement, time, electrodes, phase duration, phase interval, surge. Then if you want, you selected only one, so you have to press here. Okay. Then the intensity red button will come. Then you can increase the intensity. How much you want? You want 6 milliamperes, 7 milliamperes, 10 milliamperes. It depends upon patient. Okay. How much our patient can tolerate, that much amount of current you can increase slowly. Okay. So once the treatment time comes, there is a alarm, beep. Okay. See, for example, treatment time. After the particular current time, there will be alarm by the machine that your treatment is finished. You can remove the current. Okay. Now within 17 seconds, the alarm is going to come and the intensity will automatically decreases. It decreases to 0. Okay. As soon as the time is finished, your intensity will, now it is 6 milliamperes. It becomes 0 automatically. Okay. So it stops and it becomes 0. Okay. This is for patient safety. So next again, go back. If you once your treatment is finished, you have to go back. Okay. The red one should come to the starting point. Okay. Then finished. Okay. So this is just an introduction about the machine. Okay. You go to that one and you come.